Hello YouTube, RXZ Bandit again. And I decided to make, some designs so I could, I guess, make my own folding knife. The reason I haven't been making a video lately is because I've been, working on this. And, quick thing, my inspiration by far is Tough Thumbs, Chris Reeve, and Gavco. Go check them out. All of this is my own design. Some of the sizes I based off my Benchmade Vex and just a few other of my knives. Like, a little bit of the inspiration, you might be able to tell, is, the screw placement and just stuff like that. As you can see, it's going to be a liner lock. And something I was wondering is, what kind of steel should I use for the liners, pocket clip, and what kind of handle material for the scale should I use? Just give me some feedback in the comments below. Comment, rate, subscribe. See ya.